Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I've set a Thanksgiving table here in my breakfast room. I call it my Turkey Time Tablescape. Here in our little family, we don't need an overflow table or even a kid's table. We all fit around the dining room table. So I set this table here in the breakfast room, mostly for Mother and I's amusement. In the mornings we sit here and have our coffee and admire our collections. For this table, I'm using lots of turkeys and both new and vintage dishes. So let's take a look around the table. The tablecloth that I'm using today has turkeys arrayed in their autumn plumage, and around the edges there's also vines with pumpkins, autumn leaves, and acorns. I'm going to use my swirl pattern Fire King today. This is peach luster. I have these cute little turkey dishes. I suppose they could be dessert dishes. I picked these up years ago at the dollar store. For the glasses, I had these pretty marigold depression goblets. And I'm going to pair those with a swirl pattern glass. It's peach luster. And I also have the cup and saucers that match the Fire King, but I thought I would use these cute little pumpkin mugs today. I'm using my wood-handled flatware. And for the dinner napkins, I have these pretty bright orange, and I've used a napkin ring. They're turkeys. They kind of make me think of a Majolica or brown drip, but actually they're a homemade ceramic that someone has made. I just love all the orange tones today in this tablescape. Believe it or not, guys, a lot of my customers don't like orange, even for autumn and fall, so I try not to put too much. But for myself, I love orange and the autumn pumpkin shades. Well, my breakfast room and kitchen are a testament to that. The walls are a pumpkin orange. Here for the centerpiece, I have this cornucopia, and I've, of course, have perched Mr. Turkey. And this is one of my designs. I've got berries and gourds and sunflowers in it. And it's in a wicker cornucopia. And for my European subscribers, I ask for your indulgence. I know you guys don't have Thanksgiving, but being an American, I can't imagine life without Thanksgiving this time of year. But I guess you guys do have the advantage that you can go on and get started on Christmas, and you don't have to feel guilty like we do that we're putting up Christmas and it's not Thanksgiving yet. The tablecloth looks like it's vintage, but Mother found it and it isn't. It's actually new. Let me lift up the corner here. I think it's so pretty. Their plumage is so bright, and I thought it had a vintage look, but she actually found it at a thrift store. And here we've got a little turkey tureen. Another thrift store find. My little salt and pepper shakers are Mr. and Miss Indian. And I put several teapots on the table today. This is a cornucopia. And like I said, the little napkin rings are homemade ceramic. I don't buy a lot of homemade ceramics unless they really are well done, and these were. And I bought a whole basket. There was like 12 turkeys, 12 Christmas trees, and 12 pumpkins. And I use them a lot. The marigold goblets, I think I got at an antique mall. And the little pumpkin mugs came from Walmart. Here at the back corner, I've stacked some of my cake stands for no particular reason. I've got my amber one, and then I have the Fire King egg plate. And on top, I've got a gold cake stand and this little double turkey dish. It has a little handle in the middle. I believe it was a Goodwill find. I've just recently got this little celery dish, and I put a couple of little glass gourds in it. The celery dish has sort of a lattice design, and it's in that lusterware as well. Tucked in here is a little pumpkin. Here I have my metal candle holders that have little autumn leaves on them. And on top I'm using my candy corn candles. I found these in the gift shop at Cracker Barrel. I thought they were so cute, I just had to have some. And back there in the back, I have my pumpkin tureen. It came from a mail order catalog years ago, and I've got a pumpkin pillow in this chair. And Mother found me this cute little turkey pillow. It has a little embroidered turkey on it. Perfect for this time of year. Here's my turkey teapot. Oh, I think he's so cute. And I have a pair of these straw and feather turkeys. They're another thrift store find that Mother picked up for me. I've got another pair of salt and pepper shakers, Mr. and Miss Pilgrim. And I've had the little turkey plates for eons, but I picked them today because they were really bright. I have some more turkey plates that are the deep brown tones, and I'm going to use those on an upcoming table. Here at the back corner, I have the swirl pitcher in the peach luster that matches the glasses. And I actually found those at Goodwill. I believe it was 6 or 8 glasses, and the pitcher that match. So I thought that was a good find. And look here, back at the back corner, look at this sweet little wooden bark turkey. We love this little turkey. Mother found it not too long ago, and it's made of tree limbs that they've cut at a sharp angle so they have the bark trim around the edge. And if I can get a shot, he's got his little eyes. We think he's so cute. I think he was a wonderful waste of time. I'm glad someone made him. It took a lot of skill. After Thanksgiving, I'm going to take it to our little cabin. We have several bark and wood little animals, woodland squirrels and rabbits, and so we'll have a turkey to add to our collection. But I started collecting the marigold glass and the peach luster, and Fire King actually was one of the first things I started collecting. The Fire King I probably had for 25, 30 years. I started collecting the orangey tone glass. I liked it because to me it reminds me of copper, and I used it in our other home. And when other people were buying depression glass and in pinks and greens, I was buying the orange tones because I just was naturally drawn to it. But for this time of year, the peach luster and the marigold and the amber, they look great. So even if you can't use it in your home year-round, like I do, you can pull it out and use it for the Thanksgiving and autumn time of year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. And don't be a big turkey. Subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After. Be sure and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a happy Thanksgiving and a happy autumn. Bye-bye now.